I have a zt3100 pump on a bad boy mower. Cgarge pump cover was leaking, so I replaced the o-ring and put some RTV around the bolt hole flange, small amount of RTV only, changed oil and gilter and put back together. Let it run for a bit to make sure the leak was fixed and lost all power to axle. Tried purging with no luck, still zero movemeny from axle.
Hi, my name is will be assisting you. Did the right side drive or work for a little while after you resealed the charge pump cover? Did you mark the charge pump cover prior to removing it so that you were certain it went back on in the same position?
It did work after I resealed the cover for a short time. No, I did not mark the cover prior to removing.
You may want to double check the charge pump cover for proper location, as if the cover can only go on one way and the pump work properly for any length of time. If you happen to rotate the cover 90 degrees and install it, the pump will not work long before it will give you problems. This would be a starting point for you to check, but my suspicion tells me that you probably have the charge pump cover rotated incorrectly, which is causing your drive problems. I would remove the bolts, rotate the cover and reinstall the bolts and see if that doesn't number 39 solve your drive issue.
Thanks. Moves with the valve closed. Now just keep purging until it moves with valve open.
If you can purge the air out of the system, it should now work properly. It may take a little bit to get it completely purged. Thank you. It has been a pleasure to assist you. Please take a moment to rate your experience.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.